Welcome back once again to my YouTube page Competitive Outlook. Today I am here once again with the next set of questions on the GK of Jammu and Kashmir. And today our topic will be the tourist and historical places of Jammu and Kashmir. Some of the common types of questions asked from this section include location of tourist and historical places, reasons for being popular, persons associated with these tourist places, etc. So here goes the first question from the third set of questions on the GK of Jammu and Kashmir. Who was the first European to visit Ladakh? Jesuit father Hippolyte Desideri in AD 1715 became the first European to visit Ladakh. Which organization look after the tourism sector in J&K? Jammu and Kashmir's Tourist Development Corporation looks after the tourist places in Jammu and Kashmir. When was Jammu Kashmir Tourist Development Corporation established? The Jammu and Kashmir Tourist Development Corporation was established on 13th of February 1970. The city of Jammu is popularly known as the city of Jammu is popularly known as the city of temples. Which of the places in known as the gateway to the Kashmir Valley? The question is which of the places is known as the gateway to the Kashmir Valley? So Jammu is known as the gateway to Kashmir Valley. Who looks after the management of Mata Vaishno Devi Temple? Vaishno Devi Shrine Board looks after the management of Mata Vaishno Devi Temple in Katra. Which place in Jammu and Kashmir is known as Chota Kashi? So Purmandal is known as Chota Kashi in Jammu and Kashmir. The fort located on the hill in the vicinity of Rajouri Town, constructed by Mughal Emperor Jahangir. So the fort there is Dahandi Dar Fort, which is constructed by Mughal Emperor Jahangir and is in the vicinity of Rajouri Town. Which of the following places is known as Chota Kashmir? Bhadarwa in Doda district is known as Chota Kashmir. The next question goes, which ruler built an outer wall of the fort Hari Parbat and planned a new capital called Nagar Nagor to be built within the wall? This was Akbar, one of the Mughal emperors who built the outer wall of the Hari Parvat fort and also planned a new capital called Nagur Nagur to be built within the wall. Who renovated the Bhimgarh fort? The Bhimgarh fort was renovated by Maharaja Gulab Singh. Next question is, Bahu fort in Jammu has the shrine of? This fort in Jammu has the shrine of Bhave Wali Mata. Origin of the name Patnitop is a distortion of the original name of Patan da Talab. refers to as. Actually, the meaning of the word Patan da Talab refers to pond of the princes, शहजादों का तालाब. Where the world famous tulip garden is situated. So the world famous tulip garden is situated in Srinagar district of Kashmir division. Next question goes, Amar Singh Palace built by Raja Amar Singh, a Dogra king, which is now converted into a museum located in banks of which river? Located on banks of which river? So this Amar Singh Palace is located on the banks of the V river. I am sorry, as we have written here located in, actually it is located on the banks of which river. Which palace is popularly known as Meadow of Flowers? So Gulmarg. Gul means flower and Marg means window. Gulmarg. फूलों का मैदान Chiraga. So Gulmarg is known as Meadow of Flowers, which is the only domed mosque in Srinagar. Hazratbal is the only domed mosque in Srinagar. The resort known for its golf course, the highest in the world, Gulmarg Resort. This is the highest in the world. To which Hindu god is Martand Sun Temple attributed? This Martand Sun Temple is attributed to Lord Surya. Martand Sun Temple was built by. This temple was built by Lalitaditya Mukhapida in 18th century before Christian era. Which place is popularly known as Venice of East? Srinagar once again is known as the Venice of East. Which of the regions has been called the paradise of the Indies? Kashmir Valley is known as the paradise of the Indies. Which of the lakes is the largest of the high altitude lakes in the Trans-Himalayan region entirely within India? This is Somoruri Lake in Ladakh region. Which place is known as Moonland? Ladakh place is known as Ladakh is known as Moonland. Which place is known as Land of Lamas? Leh is known as Land of Lamas. King Hamis Monastery in southeast of Leh was established by. This Hamis Monastery in the southeast of Leh was built by King Seng Namgyal Golwa. Which Sikh Guru visited the Gurudwara situated in the Hari Parvat fort? Guru Gobind visited the Gurudwara. Which fort is popularly known as Rasi Fort? Bhimgarh Fort is popularly known as Riasi Fort. Jahangir built the Shalimar temple in Srinagar for. This was built for Noor Jahan. Which monastery has a statue of Shakyamuni Buddha? Shi monastery has the statue of Shakyamuni Buddha. Panch Bakhtar temple, one of the oldest temples of Jammu, is attributed to which Hindu deity? This temple is attributed to Lord Shiva. Panch Bakhtar temple is attributed to Lord Shiva. Over which hills the shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi is located? This was earlier asked in JK SSB exams. I also appeared in that exam. So this shrine of Mata Vishnu Devi is located on the hill on the Trukuta hills. Who started the construction of Raghunath Mandir? This construction was started by Maharaja Gulab Singh. Shahdara Sharif in Rajouri has the shrine of this Shahdara Sharif in Rajouri has the shrine of Baba Ghulam Shah, for which Hazrat Bal shrine is famous for. This shrine is famous for Moe Muqaddas of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Moe Muqaddas means the hair of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, holy. Under the rule of which king construction of Raghunath temple completed? So this the construction of Raghunath temple was completed under the rule of Rambir Singh. Which temple is also known as Takht Suleiman? Once again, this question was also asked in previous exams of JKSSB. I do remember that. So the temple is Shankaracharya temple. Who constructed the Hari Parbat fort in Srinagar? This too was asked in previous examinations. This Hari Parbat fort in Srinagar was constructed by Afghan governor Ata Muhammad Khan. Who built Chishma Shahi? Chishma Shahi was built in 1632 by Ali Muhammad Khan on the orders of Shah Jahan as a gift for his elder son Dara Shikoh. The first fortification of Hari Parbat was constructed by Akbar in 1590. Who constructed the Shankaracharya temple? This is the question number 41. This Shankaracharya temple was constructed by Raja Gopaladitya. Who established the Nagel Sahib Gurdwara of Punch? This Gurdwara of Punch was established by Sant Bhai Mela Singh. Hari Parbat has the shrine of. This has the shrine of Sharika Mata, Gurdwara Chhatti Padshahi, as well as Makhdum Sahib shrine of Hamza Makhtumi. Which Sikh Guru is believed to occasionally visit the Hari Parbat? Guru Har Gobind is believed to occasionally visit the Hari Parbat. What are the other names of Hari Parbat? Hari Parbat is having two other names. One is Durrani Fort, or it is also known as Kohe Maran. This question was also asked in one of the previous examination by JK SSB. Who built stone stairs at the Shankaracharya temple? The stone stairs of Shankaracharya temple were built by Raja Gulab Singh. Who built Shalimar Bagh? This famous Shalimar Bagh was built by Jahangir for his wife Noor Jahan in 1619. Who built Nishad Bagh? Nishad Bagh, this Bagh was built by Asif Khan in 1633 for his elder brother of Noor Jahan. This Nishad Bagh was built by Asif Khan in 1633 for elder brother of Noor Jahan. Who built the Amar Mahal, also known as Hari Palace? It was built in 19th century for Dogra king Raja Amar Singh by French architect on the lines of French Chateau. The last question of today's topic is, on the banks of which river Harinevas is located? Harinevas is located on the banks of river Tavi. So this marks the end of today's 50 questions from 500 most expected questions, as many of these questions are already asked by the Jammu Kashmir Service Selection Board in previous examinations. Hope these questions will prove helpful to you if you are appearing in coming examinations of JKSSB. Do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you once again.